Welcome to Aircraft Technician Network. Today we're diving into an essential topic for aspiring aviation professionals, the H-1B visa process for aircraft maintenance engineers in 2025. With the aviation industry facing a critical shortage of skilled technicians, we'll explore how you can secure your path to working in the United States. Let's get started. The H-1B visa is a non-immigrant visa designed for skilled professionals in specialty occupations, including aircraft maintenance engineers. It focuses on roles requiring a bachelor's degree or equivalent in fields such as aerospace engineering, aviation maintenance, electrical or mechanical engineering. If you have the skills and expertise, this could be your gateway to working in the United States aviation industry. The aviation industry is booming. According to a report by Boeing, the global demand for aircraft maintenance technicians is expected to exceed 700,000 over the next 2 decades. This forecast is limited to the commercial aviation sector. Factors such as fleet expansions, aging aircraft, and the rise in passenger travel are driving this need. The United States is one of the largest aviation markets, offering significant opportunities for skilled engineers and technicians to fill critical roles in maintenance, regulatory compliance, and quality control and assurance. To qualify for the H-1B visa as an aircraft maintenance engineer, you'll need, first, a bachelor's degree in a related field like aerospace engineering or aviation maintenance, or an equivalent qualification. Second, certifications. Holding FAA airframe and power plant certifications is a significant advantage. For an avionics engineer, certifications such as Aircraft Electronics Technician, AET, National Center for Aerospace and Transportation Technologies, NCAT, with various endorsements, etc. Third, experience demonstrated expertise in roles such as aircraft maintenance, documentation, planning, compliance, or regulatory oversight. And finally, employer sponsorship. A United States employer, either an airline, MRO, ATO, FBO, etc., must sponsor your visa and provide proof of the need for your expertise. To apply, your employer will need to 1. File a labor condition application, or LCA, with the U.S. Department of Labor, demonstrating they need your specific expertise. 2. Once approved, submit a visa petition to the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, USCIS. 3. Afterward, you'll attend a consular interview at a U.S. embassy in your home country to finalize the process. It's important to highlight and showcase your skills and qualifications clearly to your potential employer to help secure sponsorship. Here are some tips to strengthen your application. Highlight your certifications and experience in aircraft maintenance, preferably documented experience with logbooks. Emphasize specialty roles such as regulatory compliance, hot section inspection capability, NDT, calibration, rotables specialist skills, repair specialist, composite or quality assurance in your resume. Prepare thoroughly for the consular interview by demonstrating how your skills meet the critical needs of the United States aviation industry. 2025 is shaping up to be an exciting year for aviation professionals. With advancements in aircraft technology and a critical demand for skilled maintenance engineers, opportunities in the United States are expanding rapidly. The H-1B visa could be your key to a rewarding career in one of the most dynamic industries in the world. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more aviation insights. Have questions about the H-1B visa process or aviation careers? Drop them in the comments below and we'll be happy to help. See you in the next video.